Need a promotional product that measures up to your competition? People love promo items they can use repeatedly. This product is perfect for anyone who has ever needed to measure something accurately. Get your name printed on one of our 10-foot construction-grade tape measures. Each one of these has a locking and retracting mechanism located on the front, a metal belt clip and wrist strap, and the metal tape measure is great for measuring both inches and metric. They even show stud finder measurements. We custom print your company information on the side of the tape measure in your choice of imprint color. These custom tape measures will end up in every toolbox, purse, desk, drawer, or car in town. When it comes to handy, durable advertising specialties, we have just what you need to get the job done right the first time.